Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking. Today, boy and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for some awesome RGB tube lights? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we get going, the usual housekeeping. This product was sent to me by Viltrox, free of charge for this review. However, as always, they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get started. This is the Weeylite K21 RGB LED tube light. This is a very easy to use and portable RGB light that can be used anywhere. It has a full 360-degree color range, built in, we have a 2500 milliamp battery that lasts anywhere between 1 to 6 hours, depending on the settings used, and charges in about 3 hours. This light has also a built-in magnet that absorbs iron surfaces. If we take a look at the hardware, you will find an on-off button, USB-C port used to charge the device, and 4 buttons used to change the settings. On each side of the light, there's also a 1/4-inch hole that allows it to be mounted on either a stand, like I have here, or a tripod. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. There is a USB-C cable used to charge the device, manuals, and the light itself. To operate the light, simply push the on-off button for a few seconds and the light will turn on. Using the plus and minus buttons, you adjust the settings, so whether that's brightness, saturation, or the colors. The button underneath the set button will allow you to scroll through the different features, and the set button will go through the different modes. This light can also be operated via an app, and this is what it looks like. You have full control of all colors, and you can adjust the strength from 0 to 100 and the saturation. You can also adjust the temperature, which goes from 2500K all the way up to 8500K. And there are various presets here as well. There's also the scenes feature, which simulates various environments, such as flash, fireworks, police car, TV, and so on. There are lots to choose from. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a pretty sweet light. First of all, it's very versatile. That's what I love about this thing. Very versatile. You can put it in lots of different places. The fact that it's shaped like a tube light does make it very unique because it's big enough so it can generate quite a lot of light, but because it's so small and compact, you can hide it very easily, right? I mean, I got right behind me, I got the 2 of them right there, right? And it works just nicely. Also, the fact that you can mount it onto a stand, like I have right now. I got the 2 small tabletop stands. Excellent. You can mount it on a tripod, on really most things, and that makes it very versatile. So who is this for? Well, really anyone. I mean, it can be used anywhere. It can be used in a setting like this, a interview type of setting, vlogs type of setting for sure. It can be used on a film set if you need quick light here and there, right? Obviously you're not going to light a stadium with this thing, but it is powerful enough for quite a lot of applications. Again, all depends on what you are doing. Another thing I really enjoy is the fact that you can operate this with your app, right? So I got, let me just turn this on. So I've got 2 of them set right now to different channels. So this one right here is set to, or groups technically. This is group A, and this guy right here is group B. So for example, if I go to group A, which is this guy right here, and let's say I want to change that to kind of a red. Let's move it up and somewhere here. So now it's more of a red, right? If I want more of a yellow, let's go here. So now got that there. And there you go. So more of a yellow. And if I want a blue, let's Let's go down here. So there you go, more of a blue, right? Let's put it back to, I think it was around here. Yeah. So you've got the ultimate freedom, and I'll show you, what it actually looks like if I turn both of them off. So if I turn them off, there you go. So that's how much light is generated by both of them. They are running at full power, and then let's put them back on. So there you go. Couldn't be easier, right? At the same time, I do like the fact that I can also set the settings on the actual device, because sometimes I don't want to use the app. Sometimes I just want to quickly tweak it on the device, right? So that works very nicely, in my opinion. So yeah, all in all, I think it's a great light. It's about $70 US, right? And you do get one, so I have two, but normally you buy one, so it's one for $70. And yeah, all in all, I think it's a great light. I think it's going to be very beneficial to a lot of people, depending on what you're doing, obviously. So links to everything, as always, will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.